Oh, well, I got dressed for the day and I hated everything. Some days it doesn't work, some days it does. Today I'm wearing a jacket that I got in Marshall's. Oh, I wish I could get it in every color. It's got pockets. It's got a pocket here, pockets here. I mean, it's soft and fluffy, and the color is just perfection. This is the color that will look good on everybody and just brighten your face up. It's a blushy pink, and I also have a hat that kind of matches it. I got it in Shein. I got it online at Shein, Shein. Their hats are really nice. And I love for the winter to get these fleece, SHERPA, I don't know, fluffy hats. And in the summer, what I'm looking for now is terry cloth hats. I used to have them. In fact, all my grandkids, they went through my suitcases years ago when I used to come to visit California, and they would try on all my hats. So cute. So cute. Anyway, I can't smile too much because I had a couple of teeth pulled, and I'm not happy about it. But the show must go on. I want to show you something so cute. This is one of my tubes of toothpaste, and this little pink thing is a new cap that I bought. Here is the box it came in. There were 6, 2 pink, 2 white, and 2 blue, and you just squeeze this onto your toothpaste tube, and then when you see, it comes out when you need to use it. There it is, mess free, and it saves you a step. if you're looking to save a step, this is adorable. Okay. Today and yesterday I tried to put on fake eyelashes. Just very, very frustrating. I just have a hard time doing it, and they don't feel comfortable on me anymore. But anyway, there was leftover glue on my eyelid, on my lashes, and my mascara went on so much better and thicker. My eyelashes got so thick. So what I'm suggesting is taking the Revlon Precision Clear and wipe the brush, and then pat your lashes, and then put your mascara on, and tell me what happens. I'll tell you what happened to me. I got my lashes thick, and this is the Revlon lash glue, and I use it. I have backup of this stuff. I'm using this bag today. This was from Shein. I love this bag. It's so great. It's a tote bag. It's funny. It says fashion romantic girl on it. The little tiny little words, but inspired. Let's put it that way. It's inspired by the MCM bags. I do love it. I absolutely love it. I have it in 2 colors. I think I showed it to you already, but I'm wearing that today. I did all my makeup and my moisturizer and my sunscreen with this. I put everything on with this. And there's so many spots to use. There's these curves and the point, and then this part, and you could use the other side. Just turn the ribbon, and then you've got the other side with the same amount of spots. And I put on my foundation like that, and I put on my bronzer and my blush and my concealer. I blended my concealer in with this. Oh, I'm excited. I loved it. Let me show you. I'll take this one. This is the neutralizer, the Age Rewind, and okay. And now I'll just take this. I'll use the point. And there. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that. So fast. So easy. I'll tell you why I started using this on everything. I mean, I've always used it. I mean, I've used it for the past few years, but this week I've been using it on my whole skin. I've been using it for the foundation, for the blush, the contour, and they're really inexpensive. You could buy a dozen of these for under $10. I will put a link down below for a few. They come in all different colors. I mean, I think the best bet is to buy the darkest color, so you could keep the stains at bay. But it is really a great technique, and for powder too. Let's see. Okay, this is my e.l.f. powder, favorite powder ever, and it's called Perfect Finish HD powder. And look, you see? Now, wherever you want to put it. Also, today's foundation is something new for me. I know it's not new for the internet because I checked, and most of the reviews and the videos on this were at least 2 years old. But I have never tried it except for one other video that I did. I left it up here and I tried it and they didn't think anything about it. Now I put it on my vanity and I actually used it this whole week. And I wanted to keep using it because I said, if it's good, I've got to really make sure. Well, I have to tell you that it lasts for hours. When you're ready to remove your makeup, you're going to look in the mirror and you're going to say, holy cow, it looks like I just put my makeup on. That's what I say. Every time I'm going to go remove my makeup at night, it just looks like it's freshly put on. Now, I will tell you some things about it. We've got to see what the manufacturer says. This is important. It's called Maybelline Dream Radiant. And it says, get ready to face the city with radiance. Experience medium radiant coverage your skin will never want to take off. That's so funny. That's so funny. This lightweight foundation formulated with hyaluronic acid and collagen moisturizes skin and gives skin a natural look, delivering up to 12 hours of hydration. This new formula comes in 20 different shades and provides smooth and even looking skin. Doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. When it comes to taking off your makeup at night, you're going to say, oh my gosh, it looks like I just put it on. I mean, it's worth trying. It was about $12.99. Depends where you get it. I will put some links down below. And I have the color Nude, number 40. And it is hyaluronic acid and collagen. So far, this week, I have to tell you, I've worn it every day and every night when I go to take it off, I say the same thing. I say, oh my gosh, it looks like I just put it on. The only other foundation that does that for me is YSL All Hours, my absolute ultimate favorite, which they've kind of discontinued, and they reformulated it, but it's not the same. So, and the Wet n Wild Dewy, as much as I love it, it does not last all day. It just kind of moves around and disappears. Not this. This is still on my face. And all I do is I put like a bigger, I go like that. And then I swipe. And then I put on my bronzer, blush. And that's it. I am impressed with this. I love it. This week I love it. So we'll see if I still love it from weeks from now. In weeks from now. We'll see. But I have used it every day this week. And I've put it on every day with this. And my concealer. And my blush. And my bronzer. And everything. I could put that on too. Yeah. That's a bronzer part. You could do it all. You could do it all with this. You gotta try this. I'll put the link down below and just get it on Amazon. If you don't like it, you can return it. It's really, really good. We went out for dinner last night. I put this on at 11 o'clock in the morning. And I went out for dinner around 5-ish and didn't get home until 8:39. Removed my makeup around 10. It was like I just put it on. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. I want to see what you girls think. So let me know if you buy it. It's worth trying. It really is. It's worth trying. I am a yellow, orange, olive, and I bought 40. And I might get one more shade. I think darker. So, I really like it. And I kind of found out, I forget, I was just like roaming around YouTube and I was reading the comments and somebody mentioned this. In fact, all the women that tried this said it was their favorite foundation. So, that's a pretty good sum up of foundation when you get all the comments and that people are saying they all crazy about it. So anyway, we celebrated a lot in the past week. We celebrated my mother's birthday, my daughter's birthday, and while we were out for dinner, I took my phone in this phone case, put it right back here, and I'm telling you, it caused the commotion. This one lady came up to me and brought me over to her table of about 12 people to show them my phone. And they all were applauding and yelling. They were, woohoo, you know. And then the waitress, she took a picture of it because she wants to get one. I mean, it is a conversation starter. And you could take selfies with it really good. You hold it up. But I was like holding it up because I was filming everybody. I was filming the kids as they were walking into the restaurant. And the restaurant was so cute. It had an axe throwing cage right in the restaurant. It had, what are those? Bocce ball, shuffleboard, and something hole. I forget what that is. We throw the beanbag into the hole. I don't do any of it. But, yeah, and you could, well, if you don't have the phone and you could spy. So, it's just the cutest thing ever. Really is the cutest thing ever. And, it's funny, it's cute, it makes people happy. People are happy. They're all smiling, they're laughing, you know. I'll do another video, show you the birthday celebrations. You know, my mom was 98 on the 7th of May, and my daughter was 53 on the 11th. So we've had a lot of celebrations, and I also want to tell you that I'm doing a lot of shorts. Shorts are 1-minute videos on YouTube. So in case you miss me or you need more, just look under the shorts under my page and you'll see all the videos I posted. I do a lot of quick tips and hints and hacks and beauty tips and all that. I'll put a link for the eyelash glue. I don't know if they still make it or not. Wow, my lashes are super thick. They're very thick today because of the glue. So, what else do I have to show you? I love these cotton swabs, these Q-tips. These are the fattest Q-tips I could find. It was a thicker cotton, and it's on a bamboo stick, so it doesn't break. And I just love that. I love it. I bought it in a group of 3. It's just bamboo cotton swabs, and you know, they make these cotton swabs, most of them, so skinny. Now these are for my nails. The pointy one, that's you could clean your cuticles. It's good to have that. But these are perfect. Perfect for cleaning things and for your body. I like this very much. Okay, we're going to revisit this neck lift balm. It's a balm, and it's supposed to help your saggy neck. So we're going to revisit this also in another video. Okay? So that's it. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for being here. Remember, I love you. I'm here for you. And thank you for being here for me. See you in my next video.